again. Today I'm going to show you how to do logs and exponential inequalities 9.9. This will not take long. It's very simple to explain, and I believe that you'll catch on quickly. So let's get started. So the equation is 1 over 25 to the power of x plus 2 less than or equal to 125 to the power of 2x. So what you're going to do is you're going to find a common log like I did here and here. So you're going to find a common log that goes into this and this. A common log that goes into 1 over 25 is negative 2. A common log that goes into 125 is 3. Because 5 to the power of 3 is 125. 5 to the power of negative 2 is 1 over 25. So now what you're going to do is you're going to bring down these like I did so. And after that it's just common algebra. So it turns into negative 2 parentheses. And you're just going to distribute all of this. And after this, I moved it all to over here. So that turned into negative 2x minus 4 is greater than or equal to 6x. So then I bring all the x's same side. That turns into 8x is greater than or equal to negative 4. Divide by 8, divide by 8. X is greater than or equal to negative 1/2. Again, all you have to do is just find common logs. And after that, you bring down these, bring them down, and then just combine them, and then common algebra from there. I think we all know how to do common algebra. So, let's move on to the next one. 1 over 32 to the power of 2x is greater than or equal to 1/16 to the power of x minus 5. So, again, find a common log. A common log that goes into 1 over 32 is negative 5. Bring down the 2x is greater than or equal to. Common log that goes into 1 over 16 is negative 4. Bring down x minus 5. Common algebra again. Negative 10x greater than or equal to negative 4x plus 20. Get all the x's on one side. It's negative 6x greater than or equal to 20. Divide by 6, divide by negative 6, x, so you switch the sign there, switch the sign. The reason you switch the sign is just whenever you're doing inequalities, whenever you divide by a negative, the sign just switches so that it makes sense. So it just reduces to negative 10 over 3. Same thing, again, you just find a common log, bring down these after you, find the common logs, multiply them out, and then just solve for x. Make sure you switch the sign whenever you divide by a negative. And that wraps it up for 9.9, log and exponential inequalities. And please stay tuned for 9.10, which will be my last video here in a second.